Today, we're talking about something that's near and dear to me, and that's how to build wealth with $0 and do it the easy way. So, this isn't a get rich quick scheme or selling your kidney on the black market. And hey, if you're considering that, maybe hit pause and rethink your life choices. But look, building wealth from scratch, it's not magic. There is a formula that's worked for countless people, including me, when I was scraping by on ramen noodles and regrets. And the best part is, it doesn't require a fancy degree, rich parents, or winning the lottery because none of that stuff happened to me. But if you do happen to win the lottery, send some love my way. So go ahead and grab a homebrew coffee or a water if you're already cutting costs, and smash that subscribe button if you're ready to break this down step by step. And if we hit 10,000 likes, I'm going to do a follow-up on how to retire by 50. Deal? Now, first off, let's start with the hard facts that make you feel better about your bank account, or worse, depending on how you look at that. Did you know that over 50% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, and inflation is out there acting like a bad ex? It's draining your wallet without any remorse. And get this, the average person needs about $500,000 to feel like they made it financially and feel like they're in a secure position. So, if you're starting from zero, and that sounds like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops, I got some great news for you. There is a proven formula to get there, but it all starts with a mindset. So hear me out on this. Before you go and roll your eyes away, this isn't the fluffy self-help stuff. It's the foundation. Now, step one is to audit your brain and ditch all the broke advice. Be brutally honest. Who are you listening to? Your uncle who swears crypto is a scam but blows his paycheck on lottery tickets? Or that friend that says YOLO every time they max out their credit card on travel experiences? Now, I once listened to advice from a buddy who told me to invest in designer sneakers, and the spoiler is they're now propping up his wobbly table. The point? Surround yourself with winners. Follow podcasts and YouTubers from self-made folks and ignore all the noise from people who aren't where you want to be. As Warren Buffett says, don't take advice from someone you'd never trade places with. So start today. Unfollow those influencers who are flexing their rented Lambos and subscribe to channels like this one instead. I want to show you exactly how some guy with just a high school education from a blue-collar neighborhood even got here. Owning paid-for oceanfront properties, fancy cars, and multiple streams of cash flow. Gets worse. I'm not selling you anything, but go ahead and subscribe because it's free. Now into the meat and potatoes, the multiple streams of income that you need. It's step two for more money because you can't invest what you don't have. Shocking news, right? But if you're stuck in a dead-end job, paying by the hour, you're basically trading your time for a ceiling of your earnings. You can't get any higher. So there's only so many hours in the day before you turn into a zombie. So instead, pivot to a result-based gig. Sales, it's my top pick. I've been in it for years, all kinds of different things. But even without a fancy education, it's the one place where the money is. I started in sales, selling and flipping used cars. Then I shifted into wholesale furniture sales. So I want you to start a side hustle. I want you to think about this. Vending machines that collect money and work for you while you're sleeping or working your regular job, renting your car through Turo when you're not using it, generating income with minimal effort. Storage unit rental. Hey, if you got extra space in your house, consider offering to store your friends' belongings for a small fee. Or maybe you have a parking space in front of your house in a high demand area. You might consider renting it out on a monthly basis. The key to this kind of thinking, it's additional cash flow. Does that make sense? So here's the idea here. You can pick something that grows without you having to clock in more hours. But here's the hack. You can job hop and then upgrade like it's a sport. Now, studies have shown that staying at one company longer than 2 years means you're earning 50% less than other hoppers. Now, you might think of it like dating. Why settle for average when you can upgrade? But don't get rid of your spouse, right? You want to negotiate that pay raise or switch to a bigger, higher dollar bump. And if you're really bold, you could start a business. Hey, maybe you want to be a YouTuber. YouTube tutorials, they're free and their niches are everywhere. Just share what you know. I'm here sharing what I know with you. Now, I once knew a guy who bought an old crane very cheaply. He fixed it up. He made amazing money by renting out, and he didn't even know how to operate it, but he had it paid for within 2 rentals. The rest was pure profit. That kind of stuff is a win, right? So your goal should be to boost your income by at least 20% in the next year. And trust me, that extra cash flow is like rocket fuel to your pocketbook. Literally. Is any of this helpful so far? Go ahead and put it in the comments. All right, so you got money coming in. Now, step 3. Slash expenses like a ninja. This is where most people will fail miserably. Now, I know several people who drop $2,000 a year on coffee, and that's like funding a mini vacation for your barista. I still personally like making coffee at home and putting it in a travel mug. I admit I still can't shake those frugal habits even today, but it's just a game. So calculate your bare minimum, your rent, your food, your basics, and maybe one streaming subscription. So go ahead and share it. Anything extra? Invest that money immediately. So you can use apps like Mint or just use a spreadsheet and just track every penny. The funny thing is, I used to buy bottled water like it was water. So I cut that out and boom, $100 a month saved. How about living with roommates or cooking at home? This is the stuff that puts money in your pocket. But here's a pro tip. Groceries, they're cheaper than restaurants. And also, I'm going to tell you, it may not be the fanciest thing to do, but driving a reliable, average car, that's a win. There's no shame in it. I drove a Toyota Corolla while my associates drove Range Rovers and BMWs. And they used to joke about it. But little did they know, I was using the cash flow to invest in beach properties. But the moral to the story is this. They're still working at that same job. I'm now sitting here with a bunch of oceanfront vacation rentals that pay me income month after month after month, and that rental income came from those renters who paid them all off. Now that's a win, right? Let me know in the comments. Pro move, eliminate your biggest expense, housing. But how? House hacking. You can buy a multi-unit property, a triplex or a duplex, and live in one unit and then rent the others. And if you can't do that, rent out one of the rooms in your house. You can have rents to cover your mortgage, and you're building equity all for free. But here's the beauty of this. FHA loans let you buy a home with 3.5% down, so you can scrape that together with all your side hustles. Now, I did this early on, and I lived rent-free while my tenant was paying the bills. But having roommates who pay for you, that's also a win. Now, if you repeat this every 2 or 3 years, move to a new property and rent the old one, guess what? In 10 years, you could have a portfolio that's spitting out passive income. You like that idea? Step 4 is to invest in your future self. You want to start small, but start right now. Open a Roth IRA, a tax-free growth that's like legal cheating. And throw in whatever you can, whenever you can. If you can do $50 a week, it compounds like crazy. And at an 8% return, which is the historical S&P 500 index average, $100 a month from age 25, guess what? That turns into $350,000 by age 65. But how about if you start at age 35? It's half of that. So time is your superpower, not some crystal ball timing the market. You're never going to time the market. Look, I may not have a formal education or even talk that well, but I started investing when I was 21, and today it's grown to a substantial sum. But just remember, don't chase hot stocks. Go with broad index funds and just let them run. Low fees, diversified, set it and forget it. And here's the fun part. Diversify multiple streams. The IRS data shows that most millionaires have 3 or more income streams, and I'm running 8 streams of income every single month. So here's your blueprint. Here's where you want to start. Start with your job. That's the earned income. Then add in dividends. You buy index funds. And then interest from high-yielding saving accounts. And that's about 4% right now. Better than under your mattress. And capital gains from selling any kind of an appreciated asset. And rental income from that house hack. Then you add in your side hustle. That's cash flow. Now, I want you to think of multiple streams of income. On all 4 of my YouTube channels, I started with 0 subscribers. And one of them currently has over 200,000 subscribers now. And you can do it too. And then let it pay for your fun toys. How do you get more cash flow? Maybe Uber, Etsy, or tutoring. You want to aim for 7 streams eventually, like most of the wealthy do. But here's the pro tip. You want to automate everything so it's happening for you. You set up the auto invest to avoid impulse buys and the toys. And after you've made it, that's when you let your investments pay for your fun and your toys. Say yes. Come on. Say yes. And also you want to avoid the lifestyle creep. Now what I mean by that is that's a sneaky beast where you make more, but you spend more. You earn $50,000, sweet apartment. You hit $110,000, suddenly you need a new car and organic kale smoothies. And the next thing, you're broke after 6 figures. So you want to fight it by locking in your lifestyle and invest. All of those raises, all of that cash flow, invest it immediately. Now I still shop and look for bargain deals and my wallet thanks me every day, but frugal habits, they can actually help you gain more in this game. Now let's crunch some numbers on hitting the initial 500,000 security blanket starting from 0. Now let's assume you earn an average of $40,000 a year. And if you're not there, work your way towards that. If you cut your cost and you save 20%, that's $666 a month. And invest in a Roth IRA or an index fund at 8% return, and then add an additional $500 a month side hustle, you got a total savings of $1,166 a month. So what happens after 15 years? It's over $400,000. And if you job hop for that 15% raise every 2 years, you can scale your side hustle. Guess what? If you can do all of this, you're going to hit $500,000 in 12 years. And then add into the mix a little real estate. And that's my personal favorite tool. You're going to get there even faster. Look, this is not magic. It's just plain math. It's the compound effect. The seemingly insignificant things that we do on a daily basis that give us our greatest return. That's the compound effect. But I'm going to let you in on a little secret. This may not be what you want to hear, but it's going to be the truth. This takes grit. You may sacrifice short-term fun for long-term freedom. No beach vacation, maybe fewer brunches. But if you push your comfort zone and learn skills on YouTube, you're going to be super happy down the road. But I want you to listen to this. If I can go from a dyslexic kid with a high school education who grew up in a blue-collar working class neighborhood to being financially independent and being able to do what I want to do whenever I want to do it, trust me, you can do this too. So I got a question for you. Did you pause and take notes on this video, or did you watch it again? Let me know, put it in the comments. And I want to know if this fired you up. So go ahead and smash like and hit that bell. And what's your biggest takeaway from this video? Go ahead, put it in the comments. I'm going to reply to the best ones. And I just want to say thanks for watching, because you are one step closer to wealth. So until the next video, go build that empire. Take care, guys.